So in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to create success in your community association. So what does success look like for your community association if you're sitting on the board of directors? Have you ever asked yourself that question? Do you have a vision for your community? Do you know where you see your community in 1 year, 2 years, or possibly 3 years? So in my experience, I've realized that many community associations unfortunately don't have a vision or don't know what direction they're looking to go. Many times they're focused on either what projects didn't get accomplished by the previous board or just the immediate projects that are going on, and they become firefighters. So here at Affinity, what we work on doing is having a vision for your community. While maybe you don't need a 10-year vision like you see in the business world, but just having a vision for 1 or 2 years allows us to be able to, number one, know what direction we're going, and number two, understand what success looks like. So how do you generate that vision in your community association? So first, you should be having a sit down with your community association manager, their supervisor, and understanding what are the goals and objectives for your board of directors. Is it painting the building in the next year? Is it painting the lobbies? Is it doing a concrete restoration job? Is it upgrading the landscaping in your HOA? So first, we want to understand, what does that look like? What does the future look like for your association? Next, you're going to want to outline what steps do you need to take to be able to get to that goal. So if it's a 1-year goal to upgrade the landscaping in the entire community, what needs to be done in the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter for that to be a success? From there, then you could simplify what's going to be done each quarter to get to that goal. So that way, if you have weekly tasks that your manager, your assistant manager, maintenance, or janitorial, whoever's responsible, or I should say accountable for that task, then when you're receiving your manager's report, you can easily know if you're on track to be able to accomplish that goal for that quarter. Further, it's going to give you a true picture of what goes on within your community association, because as many things go on within our normal lives, same exact thing happens in community associations. You get things that all of a sudden pop up that you never expected. And at that time, you can have a real conversation with your community association manager, with the board of directors, and decide what's of a higher priority. Is it that goal that we have, or maybe something popped up that needs to be addressed now? That way, when you're sitting down with the management company, their manager, their regional director, you have something that you're talking about of, are we going to hit that goal? And if we're not, what are the reasons behind it? This is gonna allow for you to take away all the emotions and all the distractions that occur within the community, and also do a better job of communicating these challenges or successes to your residents. So here at Affinity, we believe that having a vision and tying goals to that vision is how you're able to have not only a successful community, but more importantly, a successful partnership with your management company, such as Affinity. If you have more questions on how to build this vision or how to put together those goals, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be happy to work with you and your community in establishing that and making your community the way to a well-lived community. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, as we have weekly videos that'll help you better serve your residents as well as your community. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.